Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change Instagram profile picture. And here's how it is done. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Go to Edit Profile. At the top of your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Edit Profile Picture. At the top of the screen, tap Edit Picture or Avatar. Choose an option. New Profile Picture. Select a photo from your device gallery or take photo. Snap a selfie or take a new picture in real time. Import from Facebook. Use the same profile picture from your Facebook account. Remove current picture. Opt to have no profile picture at all. Create an avatar. Tap Avatar to design a custom avatar. Customize details like skin tone, hairstyle, and clothing. Use this avatar as your profile picture. Save changes. Once you have selected or created your new profile picture, confirm the changes to update your Instagram profile. And that is everything you need to know about how to change Instagram profile picture. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.